Hi, this is Bill with Kettle Moraine Heating, and today we're going to show you how to use your new heating and cooling thermostat. The first question that everyone will have is, why is the thermostat so low? It's low because the City of Milwaukee has an ADA wheelchair accessibility code that has to be met of no higher than 4 feet. The next thing that I'd like to go over is the batteries in the thermostat. The batteries should be changed on a yearly basis, and they're hidden underneath this cover. All you have to do is push down on the top and tilt the batteries out. 2 AA's change yearly. To insert the batteries back in, put the bottom in first, slide the top in, and then softly click into place. You'll notice the display comes back to normal, and you'll be all set. So one of the first things that you'll notice is that the thermostat, when you look at it, is not backlit. When you touch a button, the backlight will come on, which is hard to see with the filming that we're doing, but it will help you see it better when you're in your space. On the bottom of the screen, there are 4 buttons. The first button will allow you to set the clock and day. The second button is the fan button, and it will allow you to just run the fan without heating or cooling coming out of the machine, just moving air around. The third button you'll see has the system button, which is the most important. You can go from off, cool, heat, drying, or auto. My suggestion is not to use the auto feature. My suggestion would be is to use cool, heat, or drying. Cool and heat, I assume, are self-explanatory. The drying function is kind of a unique feature for down by the lake here, where temperatures can be cold but humidity is high. If you put the unit into drying mode, it will remove the humidity from the space. The most important thing to know about this mode is it will allow overcooling to happen. So you might become a little chilly. So the drying mode will continue drying until you turn it off. So my opinion would be is only use this function while you're at home and then turn it off when you're finished. While in heating or cooling mode, the 2 up and down arrows will allow you to temporarily adjust the temperature in the space. If you have a schedule running, the hold button will then come into play, as you may want to deviate from your schedule and hold it at a temperature for a certain period of time. At that time, if you would like to press Run Schedule, it will go back to the schedule that you normally programmed into the machine if you did use the hold feature. The fourth button, which allows you to control where the air is coming out of the machine, will be very important for you, because I assume that you won't want the air blowing on you, or maybe you do. So to change that function, you hit the 4th button, which we did. It comes to Set Airflow Direction, and you'll see as we scroll through the control, you can change the direction of the louver where the air comes out of. It says floor and ceiling and anywhere in between. In addition to these features, you'll have Oscillate or Auto. I do suggest leaving it in the auto function. However, with each person comes each person's uniqueness to comfort, and you can change that setting however you'd like. Remember, when you're done controlling or adjusting one of these features, hit the Done button. If you don't hit Done, it will not recognize the change that you made. To set the schedule on the thermostat, there's going to be a little cheat sheet hidden behind the back cover. You see that cheat sheet? Actually will come out and resemble this cheat sheet, and it will explain how to set the time and day and your schedule for heating and cooling. Both programs are unique. When we're done with this video, I'm going to give you all an operating manual, and the operating manual, along with this instructional video, will allow you to achieve all the features your thermostat has to offer. In addition, there is one feature that is not included with this system, but is available to everyone. If you have Wi-Fi in your home, you can add a router that will give you Wi-Fi control via your cell phone or a tablet or computer. If that feature is desired, please contact your management and we can give you the cost for this feature. In wintertime, this system, as I mentioned, will work in conjunction with your boiler. The boiler thermostat is on the outside wall, and the Mitsubishi system thermostat is on the interior wall. You'll have to set these thermostats a little bit differently, and not for the exact same temperature. The Mitsubishi thermostat should be set 1 degree or 2 degrees higher than the thermostat that's on the outside walls. Some people may choose not to use the Mitsubishi system for heating. However, We highly encourage it because of the carbon footprint the building has on the environment. The Mitsubishi system is 3 times as efficient as the heating system that you have. So using that system will help the earth. Also, because the landlord is paying for your heating bill, the Mitsubishi system will help keep your rents economical throughout the years.